As a nurse for 16 years, akala ko alam ko na lahat when it comes to health and wellness. Pero iba pala yung matututunan mo when you challenge yourself. Recently, I took on the 7 days challenge of Sir MJ, and it transformed not just my mindset but also the approaches on how I see life, wellness, and even business. Let me share with you my biggest takeaways from the challenge. Hi, I'm May Amengosa. For 16 years, I've been a nurse helping people heal and prioritize their wellness. Pero, nung naging entrepreneur na ako, under I Am Worldwide, pinagsasama kasi dun yung health, wellness, and storytelling. Na-realize ko na mas marami pa pala akong pwedeng matutunan. Kaya ako sumali sa 7 Days Challenge ni Sir MJ. This experience changed how I approach my mindset, my habits, and even yung pag-share ko ng amazing barley to people. And ang pinaka-importanteng natutunan ko dito is yung power of consistency. Whether sa pag-create ng content, pag-follow up ng goals ko, or yung simpleng pag-inom ng amazing barley every morning. Consistent actions talaga yung magdadala ng magandang results. The changes doesn't have to be big. Small daily actions add up to the big transformations. Mindset is everything. Isa pa to sa mga natutunan ko sa challenge. Noon pa man, alam ko na malaki ang factor ng positive mindset, lalo na sa recovery ng mga patients. Pero, as an entrepreneur, mas nakita ko yung value ng pagiging positive when it comes to handling your challenges in life. Kaya whether if it's life, business, health and wellness, iba talaga yung magagawa ng positive mindset sa buhay mo. Sobrang game changer talaga siya. Sa challenge, I learned na kailangan natin i-celebrate yung small wins natin. Sa business, yung simple things like hearing feedbacks from your clients na natulungan mo sila na ma-improve yung kanilang health, sobrang fulfilling na siya for me. Akala natin small lang, pero those wins remind us why we're doing what we're doing. And this will motivate us to continue. Dati, sobrang hesitant ako mag-share ng aking stories kasi iniisip ko, will it even matter? Pero dahil sa challenge na to, natutunan ko na para mag-grow pala ako, I have to be outside of my comfort zone. Kahit simpleng bagay ng pag-share mo ng amazing barley, kung paano siya nakatulong sa'yo na ma-improve yung health mo. Or creating content, putting yourself out there. Ang natutunan ko dito, yung discomfort na nararamdaman mo, part siya ng growth mo. Gratitude talaga yung nagpalalim ng journey ko dito sa 7 Days Challenge namin. Sobrang grateful talaga ako sa opportunity to use my background as a nurse para mas makatulong sa iba. Yung i-share mo yung amazing barley and of course yung company na makatulong din sa financials nila. Natutunan ko rin na sa gratitude, hindi lang siya para i-uplift yung sarili mo, kundi i-appreciate yung every step sa journey mo. Kasama na dun yung mga challenges and struggles. Sa 7 Days Challenge na to, natutunan ko na hindi lang about strategies ang success. Tinatransform mo din dapat yung mindset and habits mo. Kung curious ka kung paano ko napagsasama yung journey ko pagdating sa health and wellness and entrepreneurship, o kaya naman curious ka kung paano makakatulong sa'yo ang amazing pure organic barley and I Am Worldwide, please don't hesitate to message me. Baka ito na yung start ng journey mo towards your health and wellness and of course, your personal growth.